Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about observer visibility to a specific board. It's quite possible that you may be working with your team on a project that you want your client to see, but you don't want them to participate and comment on. Well, the Trello business class allows you to set up a board where you can give access to someone as an observer, where they can see what's happening with a particular project. You're first going to open up the board menu, and then you're going to click the invite link. What you're going to do next is write the email address of the individual that you will be writing in the box. Now, that person does not have to be a member of Trello, or they can be. So you'll start with their known email address. And when you see that email address, there's an arrow on the right-hand side of their personal identification link. You're going to click that link. You're going to see that there are going to be two options available to you. You can actually make them a normal member, or you can make them an observer. And so because we want this individual to view what we're doing and not necessarily to comment, we're going to add them as an observer. They'll now have access to the list on the board, but they'll have access to them as a particular observer. Now, when this individual logs in, you'll see that they have access to the board called Being More Productive. They can click inside of this board. They can actually view the cards and the progress. However, one of the things that you'll note is that they do not have a space where they can actually write in or comment. So what this does is it gives you and your team added flexibility in terms of who you can add to your board and how many people you want to have as part of your paid users. In fact, you can actually have this person download files from the specific cards. Yet this person's profile still remains a free or personal account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.